Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. In today's video, I'm going to be trying this hair tool. This is from Revlon. So this is the Mix Curler, and this is the 2-in-1 like curling iron or curling wands. So this is going to give you two different type of curls, two different type of sizes. This has a rotating cool tip to expand from 1-inch barrel to 1.5 inches. So let's try this. I'm going to be doing one side with the 1-inch wands and then the other side with the 1.5 inch wands. If you're liking Vlogmas so far, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also follow my Instagram and my TikTok right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on YouTube. So check out my Instagram, check out my TikTok. I'm always doing like fun little trends and stuff. So yeah, check it out. And yeah, let's open this up. This retails for about $50 and you can get it at Ulta, I think Amazon. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, okay. So that is the 1-inch wand. And then if you open this, that's the 1.5 inches. So yeah, pretty easy to use, I guess. So I'm gonna try the 1-inch first. If this works, this could be actually really cool for traveling if you want to switch up the curls and to not have to bring two different type of hair tools. So yeah, pretty cool. So I'm gonna plug this in. I feel like the only thing that I don't love too much about Revlon hair tools, I mean, Revlon is very affordable, so I get it, but sometimes their cords are so short. Oh my god, like super short. So I am going to use a heat protectant because I have to protect my hair from the heat. So I'm going to use this one from IGK. This is the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. So I'm just going to add this to all my hair. This adds a lot of shine and controls frizz. Woo, it's strong. Just going to detangle my hair a little bit. I'm going to link this brush down below. I love to use this on straight hair, on curly hair. I'm going to divide my hair in two sections. Okay, so I'm going to start with this section. I'm going to turn this on and let's see. Ooh, it has a nice little screen. So I'm going to put it in the heat setting 360 for now. So I'm going to do 360 and let's see how that works. So I'm going to let it warm up. Okay, so it is all warmed up. It warmed up pretty quickly. So let's do a curl and let's see how this looks. This cord is so short. It also brings a glove, by the way. I'm just gonna leave this on my hair. The only thing that I don't like about wands is that my arms get a little bit tired. That can be a little bit uncomfortable. I've been using curling irons more because they're just more comfortable to use. I just like them more. So I think that's enough time. Let's see. Ooh, I don't like that. Okay, so that's a nice curl. It's not that tight. And I'm actually gonna put it up to, let's do 400. And I'm gonna do another section. The nice thing about regular curling irons is that they don't have this top part. So it's a lot easier to just kind of let the hair slide down. But with this right here, it's a little bit tricky. So I'm gonna do this section right here at 400. Okay. I'm gonna leave this on my hair for a little bit. So this is what I mean. You guys will see. So I'm going to try to release the curl. You see? It's stuck. So you kind of have to like wiggle it around. But I mean, that's a cute curl. It doesn't look like a 1-inch curl. It's a nice curl, but it looks a lot more like big than 1 inch. I guess you could also just maybe do this. You wrap your hair around the wand like that. I'm going to leave this on my hair for a little bit. Maybe about 10 seconds. So now I'm gonna release the curl, but I'm gonna go like this instead, which is a lot more complicated. I wonder if I won't have the same issue though if I wanted to use this as a 1.5 inch barrel, because this is going to be about the same, I don't want to touch it, but this is going to be like about the same size as this. So I might be fine with the 1.5 inch, but I'm gonna keep doing my hair. I'm gonna do all my hair. I'm gonna do this side with the 1 inch, and then we're gonna do the 1.5. But so far, this is definitely not my favorite curling ones that I have. It's just a little bit hard to use with the 1-inch barrel. It's just like a little bit uncomfortable to use, but it's a nice idea though. I see how this could be such a good idea, but it is a little bit uncomfortable to use because I really like the idea. And the price isn't bad either. I mean, my hair's looking pretty good. I think it looks really nice. I'm gonna keep doing my hair and then we're gonna move on to the other side. I also feel like the space that you get to do the curl is not that much. I feel like the barrel could be a little bit longer just to make things a lot more comfortable. I feel like you don't have a lot of space to work with. Like, this is a very small space right here. So you could just go like this. I feel like that's more comfortable than having to like wiggle it and stuff. You know, this actually doesn't get too hot. I feel like the heat setting 400 degrees Fahrenheit is just fine. That's actually very pretty. Let me try this one. Yeah, it's way easier if you just slide it down. Don't even try to like wiggle it out. This is a different type of curling wands. It's not like your typical curling wands that you can just let the curl fall. Like, you definitely have to just like go like that, but don't burn yourself. It looks good so far. I really like how it's looking. I'm gonna finish this side and I'll be back with the final 1-inch look, and then we're gonna move on to this side. Okay guys, so I am done with this side. What do you guys think? I think this side looks really, really good. I actually really like it. I think the curls look very nice and healthy. What do you guys think? I think I got pretty nice curls. They don't look like super tight, but I really do like how they look. Okay, so I am going to do this side now. I'm gonna clip my hair just a little bit, just kind of keep it out of the way. And let's start with this side. So I guess this is the 1-inch. By the way, this gets a little bit hot, so if you want to use it right away, you gotta let it cool down a little bit. I'm gonna just open this. So I guess that is 1.5 inches, and it still actually isn't the same size as the tip. I don't know if you can see. So I think I might have the same issue that I was having on this side, but let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna divide this section in 2 sections, and let's try this. So just curling away from my face. Okay, so I'm gonna release the curl. Yeah, it's the same issue. Okay, so you get a little bit more of a wave, which is still very nice. But let me do this section now. Okay. So there you have it. It is definitely a bigger curl and it looks very nice. I feel like I do like this side a little bit better so far, but yeah, it's definitely more of a wave, which is cool. Okay. So I'm just curling away from my face. I think I just got used to using curling irons instead of curling wands. They're just a lot easier to use in my opinion. So if you can get the hang of it, of how to use a curling iron instead of a wand, I think you're gonna like it better. Yeah. I don't like how I'm not able to just let the curl slide down, you know? That's something that I don't love about this hair tool. Okay. And it's kind of risky to just like slide it down. There's too much movement and then you can burn your face. So I don't love the whole idea of just like sliding it down. But if you can think of a safer way to releasing the curl, then try it. But yeah, it looks good so far. I am going to finish this side and then I'll be back with the final 1.5 look. So I'll be back. Okay, so I am done with the 1.5 inch barrel and this is what my hair looks like. I actually really like it. I feel like you definitely do get more of a wave with this size and I actually really like it. I think it looks really nice. And here's the 1 inch. So also very nice, and definitely you do get, I feel like, more of a tight curl, but I feel like they almost look the same. Maybe these curls are starting to fall a little bit. It still looks really, really nice. Which side do you guys like better? Do you like the 1 inch size or do you like the 1.5 inches? I'm gonna use this comb to loosen up the curls a little bit and see what my hair looks like. I love doing this whenever I curl my hair. Look at that volume. Let's see. Yeah, this side definitely looks a lot more loose than this side because I used a smaller barrel with this side. So this side looks a lot more tight. I actually like this side better now than this side. I just feel like my curls are going to fall right away on this side. but I feel like it looks really, really nice. Would I reach for this though? Probably not, just because I have other ones that I like more. I'm gonna add a little bit of this oil, Olaplex oil, on my hair. I have other curling wands and irons that I like a little bit more, so I don't think I would reach for this iron, but I think it's pretty good for 50 bucks. It's really good for traveling if you want different size curls. I just feel like it is a little bit uncomfortable to use. I see what they tried to do here, like it's a very smart idea, but I really wish that I could just let the curl release on its own. I feel like this right here is very uncomfortable to use. I know that this is the whole point of the hair tool, because it's like what makes the hair tool different sizes, but when you have to release the curl, it's just a little bit uncomfortable. It's not bad, it's just not something that I would reach for. But if you are looking for something that's very affordable, and if you're just starting to curl your hair, I feel like this is a good one to have, because you can do different types of curls. You can do tighter curls and you can do looser curls. But yeah, what do you guys think of the hair tool? Let me know in the comments down below. I think it's okay. It's not like my favorite curling ones that I have, but it's not bad. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked this. Subscribe if you're liking my YouTube channel so far, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which is actually tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.